doesn't go well these days is in the conversations, a lot of people have a tendency to reference certain statistics or certain articles online. And I found now that everybody's referencing stuff as fake news, so it's hard to use that as a source, a particular document or a particular. One approach is you have to ask them how they feel. What is their opinion about something, and how do they come to that opinion? What are they using for the sources or beliefs to come to that opinion? So if you put them on the spot and let them talk about it, I think it helps them to be able to realize how they've come up with their viewpoint on things, and perhaps they've never had the chance to have that conversation before and think through it logically in a moment that somebody's asked them, so they might reflect differently on it. That's the first point. And the second point is I would go ahead